Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Beau from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw his horn. So I'm gonna draw across a curved line for the base of his horn. And on both points, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards and turn it out and turn it upwards and to the right all the way to the tip of the horn. I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down on the other side, and from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right and downwards to the other side of the base, and across the horn I'm gonna draw some curved lines all the way to the tip of the horn. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. In between the horns, I'm going to draw across a curved line, and at the side I'm going to draw a curved line out towards the ear, and I'm going to make a turn outwards to the right and a semicircular turn at the tip down and back to the side of his face. And I'm going to trace the same outline of the ear at this corner, and at the side of his face I'm gonna extend this line down, turn it slightly outwards and back in at the lower point of his face. And inside the ear I'm gonna draw a similar shape of the outline again at that point, and another smaller one inside of that. At the tip of the ear, I'm gonna draw across a curved line all the way to the side. And I'm gonna copy the same thing on the left side. Now in the middle of his face, I'm gonna draw an oval shape for his nose, and another oval shape at this point inside of that. And below the nose in the middle, I'm gonna draw a line down and thicken that, and I'm gonna draw across a curved line for his mouth, and back up at the sides. From the point beside his nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, and I'm gonna make a semicircular turn down and across at the lower point, and I'm gonna draw a similar shape on the right side right there. And for his eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this point. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw another oval shape. And at the middle point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And I'm gonna thicken that line right there. And below that line, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape right there. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now I'm gonna do the whole thing on the left side as well. Now below the head on the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and extend it outwards. I'm gonna draw a diagonal line on the side of the sleeve there and across a curved line. And I'm gonna turn it upwards with the diagonal line and back to the side. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down. And I'm gonna draw a diagonal line from that point out. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. At the lower point of the shirt, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a line down on both sides and across a curved line in the middle. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here. Below the shirt, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side, turn it downwards, and across a curved line at the bottom and back up. And in the middle of the legs, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. We're gonna copy the whole leg on the right side here. And below the shirt, I'm gonna draw a circle line across at this point. And below the head, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape like that, and a small one in the middle. And at the side of it, I'm gonna draw a line out. And then below that zipper, I'm gonna draw a line down and another line down on both sides. And above the lowest point of the shirt, I'm gonna draw across a curved line and on top of the sleeve as well. Now above the lowest point of the legs, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right there on both hooves. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!